What's up? My name is Technoba here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another quick guide. In this guide, I'll be showing you how to get an Xray Texture Pack for Minecraft 1.18. Of course, this may give you an unfair advantage and even get you banned from certain servers if you act too suspiciously, so do keep that in mind. This is a resource pack, so you can use it on any server and it works well with a ton of mods. And of course, vanilla Minecraft itself. In the description down below, you'll find a link to the Xray Ultimate Pack on curseforge.com. Of course, you can simply search CurseForge for another Xray Resource Pack. It's super simple. This is just the one that I'm going for in this guide here. You can click Resource Packs and simply search for Xray, where you'll be given a plethora of choice, multiple different ones for different versions of Minecraft. Once again, this is just the one that I'm going with, and this is the one that I'll have linked in the description down below. All you have to do here is click Files at the very top, and you should see a 1.18 download. Though, of course, that'll only be coming in the next few days or weeks. Currently, it's only available for 1.17.1, but before you get worried, this does work with the current version of Minecraft 1.18. Click Download up here, and it'll be downloading the Xray Resource Pack in just a few seconds. When it's done, you'll have a zip file in your downloads. Don't do anything with this quite just yet. All you have to do here is fire up the Minecraft launcher, and then open up any 1.18 client, whether it's the vanilla version, Optifine, Forge, Fabric, etc, etc. I'll be using vanilla for this guide. Then simply click Options over here, head across to Resource Packs, and you should be able to click Open Pack folder down here. After doing so, you'll be taken into this folder here, appdata-roaming.minecraft Resource Packs. If you'd like to get here without opening the game itself, hold Start and press R to bring up the Run dialog box. Inside of here, type %appdata% and hit Enter. Then you'll head into the .minecraft folder and Resource Packs. If you don't see anything here or you're not able to navigate, simply click View at the very top and make sure Hidden Items is checked. Upon doing so, we'll be dropped into this folder here, where yours will more than likely be empty. All we have to do is drag the download from our downloads folder, or of course directly from our browser, into this folder over here, and we've now successfully installed the Xray Ultimate Resource Pack for Minecraft 1.18. Heading back to my Minecraft client over here, simply click Done, and head back to Resource Packs, just to make sure everything's reloaded. Click the arrow over here, and even though it says it's made for an older version, I'll click Yes as it is compatible. Up until the version for 1.18 is released, and more than likely if you're watching this in more than a week, you won't have to worry about that error at all. Click Done, then Minecraft will reload. Click Done once again, and you can join a world here. Of course, you can swap the resource pack while you're in a world, and you'll be given Xray vision whenever you want, that you can then toggle on and off as you feel free. There we go. So, of course, you're able to see through the ground, see ores, resources, caves, etc, etc. And that's really about it. This is the Xray Texture Pack, and it looks pretty good. It of course gives you good vision of what you're looking at, and of course good vision of what's through that. Quite fun. If you'd ever like to turn this off, hit Escape and head into Options over here, Resource Packs, and click the arrow on this side. That moves it back to Available from Selected. Click Done, and after a quick reload, we'll be exactly where we were previously, but we can now no longer see through the ground. Xray has been disabled. It's super simple, easy to use, and that's really about it for this quick crash course. This may seem simple, but a lot of people do look up guides like this, so that's really all you need to know. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Technoba here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.